What's going on, guys? It's been a while, and the reason is because of it's been snowing pretty much every day. It's either snowing, raining, cold, and it's about 42 degrees today, so I figured I'd give you guys a video. I'm gonna be doing the catch can. I'm gonna put that on the Focus, and I believe that's about it. Maybe some other things, I'm not really sure. I got a lot to do, and yeah, it's nice out, so I'm going to try to get it all done. I'm not going to be able to get the eagle eyes done today. I haven't gotten a jack yet, and I need to take the front bumper off, but in order to take the front bumper off, I got to take the tires off, the wheels and tires off the front, and I need a jack for that, so that's not going to be today. But I am going to be putting the decals on the Focus, and I might put them on the Titan also. I had two of them got made backwards, not really sure why, but they gave them to me. So I put one on the inside of the window of the barn. I'll show you guys the outside of that too when I go out. I wanted to make a few videos like with the snow and stuff, but as you know, the Titan was in the body shop, so I couldn't really do anything. I mean, this car I can't get it out. It's stuck in here right now, so that's why I haven't put anything out. Alright, I got the decals on. One of them's gonna get me pulled over, and I'll show you that one in just a minute, but that's the one on the back of the car. And then I put two small ones on either small window here on the back, one on each side, and then the one that's going to get me pulled over is that one right there. It's definitely not legal at all in my area, and I really don't care because it's not blocking my view. Obviously, I sit over there, so I don't care. So that's what it looks like on the outside. Looks pretty good. Not like anyone will see it anyway because it's the back of my house, but whatever. Alright, so I got the catch can out. Got everything tightened down on it. Ready to go. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put it yet on the car, because there's really, I mean, right here is probably going to be the best place, but I don't really have anything to tap into or nothing to mount it fast. But we gotta get this filter off, spin this here piece because the nipple's right there, and then go from there. So I got that stupid filter out of the way. As you can see, well, not really, but yeah, there's a lot of oil in there, which is the reason why I wanted to put the catch can on, because with the filter being on there, it's coming out of here, so having a filter after it, it's kind of stupid. Still gonna get oil all over everything, so yeah, that's why we're doing the catch can. Alright, I got the first line ran off here. It goes underneath, and then, well, it's in my hand, but it's gonna go over here somewhere. Now I gotta get the rest. Alright guys, it's just temporary right now. Held on by, you know, more zip ties. Like I said, it's temporary. But the clear is the one that goes into the intake right there, which I need to fix that also. And then the black one just runs straight across under there. And I don't really like this setup, so I'm gonna end up changing it, but for now that's gonna work. And yes, I know I need a new air filter. Alright, we are pretty much done with the Focus for now. I'm just gonna, like I said, let the zip ties on for now until I can figure out where I want to bolt it fast to. But yeah, so there's the decals one more time. I am going to go start working on the Titan. The fog lights, when the body shop put them back on, the wire that runs from the driver's side over to the passenger side bulb, he didn't tie it up, so I'm going to tie that up. I also got these LED lights They are Bluetooth with the remote, and I actually got 3, but I think I'm gonna put a set for the reverse lights in the Titan. Right now they're green, but I'll be able to do whatever color I want, make them strobe, you know, whatever. And then the other set, I have a socket in the headlights that I don't have a bulb in right now. It's beside the turn signal. It's just a marker light. I'm gonna put them in there. I got those from JDM Lighting. You see their ads all over Facebook and Instagram all the time. You know, like buy 2 get 1 free or whatever it was. I honestly don't even remember what it was, but yeah, we're gonna go do that. Alright guys, I'm an idiot. The remote controls for those lights don't have batteries, so I'm not gonna do that today. Yeah, let's get a cold start on the Focus, and I'm gonna make sure nothing's leaking on the catch can and whatnot. Well, once again, she fired right up. Alright, let's see if this stuff's working. Not going to be able to see anything. I'm literally just checking for leaks. Again, like I said guys, I'm not going to leave that zip tied. I will fix that hopefully soon. I don't really know what I'm going to mount it to. I might take the windshield washer thing off there, fold it fast. I'm not really sure. And I do have steel wool in that, so it's not just an empty catch can. It does have steel wool in it. I really thought I'd say it about the Focus of all things, but I miss driving this car. I could drive it in the wintertime, but I mean, I got the Titan, so I don't need to. Because, you know, for what it is, it's actually in pretty good shape. It's not rusty at all, so I want to keep it that way. And since it's the Sony limited edition and the going platinum color, which is even rarer, I mean, it's might be worth $100 in a year or two. But all right, we're gonna put the decals on the truck now. Not sure where I'm gonna put them. I was gonna put them below the headlights. Well, one on the driver's side, right below the headlights, called a headlight filler. I did have them black, but when I took it to the body shop, he painted them. So I don't really know how the lime green's gonna look on that. As you guys know, I have 2 smaller ones and 2 bigger ones. I only really needed 1 big one, and that's obviously the roll down window that I never use. The small ones, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them. I was going to put one on either side on the back doors, because I don't hardly use those windows either, but I'm not sure. And then like I said, I was also going to do it underneath the headlights, on one side, this piece here. It was black, but they painted it at the body shop, so I don't really know if lime green will look good there. See the light. Alright guys, there it is. The one on the back. Alright guys, so like I said, I don't know what to do with the smaller ones or this other big one. The small ones, I was gonna, like I said, put them like this, maybe, you know, like on the back, but I don't I don't really know where to put them. Maybe on the visor? I don't know. Let me know in the comments where you guys think I should put the smaller ones and the other big one. I would put them on my wife's car, but she does not like lime green, so that's not gonna work. Like I said, let me know in the comments, guys, where I should put them, because I don't know. Alright guys, if you're still sticking around and watching the video, I really appreciate it. Basically right now I'm just going to go over like my plans for the Titan. I like it the way it is, but there's a few things that I would like to change. One, it has the infamous cracked manifolds. First gen Titans are known for that. So I want to get headers. I also want to get B-pipes for it. I will probably go catless. That's not exactly legal in my county, but I know people. Also would like to change the rims, maybe. I really want to go with a 20 by 10, probably like a -44 offset, or maybe even a -26. Just to change it up a little bit. I like the rims that I have now, but it's time for a change. And other than that, really the only other thing that I would change is probably like a 4-inch lift. I don't really want to go too high. There's no need to. Maybe even do a body lift on it or something like that. Sorry about that noise. It's just a dog. And other than that, I mean, maybe headlights and taillights. Get the new style ones, because mine are kind of old style. I mean, headlights are obviously brand new because I just got the truck back from the body shop. But yeah, other than that, there's really not much that I would do to the truck outside wise. Inside, that's a whole another story. It's stained up and stuff. Whoever had it before me used it as a work truck, so there's a lot that I need to do on the inside. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this upload. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Check me out on Instagram at @justanother_car dude, and I'll see you guys on the next one.